All right, let's talk about something that feels like it should be easy, but it's just not. You've got a VPN on your phone, right? But what about your other gadgets? Your laptop, your game console? Well, today, we're going to crack that code. I'm going to show you exactly how to share your phone's VPN with pretty much any device you own.
So, have you ever run into this? You've got this awesome smart TV, maybe a PlayStation, and you're all set to watch something, but you can't. Why? Because the device just won't let you install a VPN app. It's so frustrating, and believe me, it happens all the time.
You're staring at the screen. You know the content is out there, but you're hit with that dreaded "not available in your region" message. You're completely geo-locked. I mean, the person who figured this method out actually hit this exact wall with their Android TV box. It really feels like you're stuck, right? Well, the good news is you're not. There's a brilliant, super simple workaround. And when I say simple, I mean really simple. We're just going to assemble a quick little toolkit. You only need 3 things to make this happen, and honestly, you probably have them all right now.
Okay, so here's the checklist. Number 1, you're going to need an Android phone. This is going to be our little command center. Number 2, your favorite VPN app, already installed on that phone. And finally, number 3, a cool little free app you can grab from the Play Store. It's called Every Proxy. And that's it. That is the entire toolkit.
All right, got your tools? Perfect. Let's dive in and get this done. I'm going to walk you through it step by step, and you'll see just how easy this whole thing is.
Okay, first things first, let's get your phone ready. Grab that Android and turn on its mobile hotspot. Easy enough. Next up, fire up your VPN app, connect to whatever server you want. For this example, let's say we're connecting to Germany. And for the last step on the phone, open up that Every Proxy app. All you have to do is flip that first switch on, the one that says HTTP/HTTPS proxy. The second you toggle that switch, the app is going to give you 2 very important pieces of info, a host IP address and a port number. Now, whatever you do, don't close this app. Just keep it open on your screen, because we're going to need those numbers for the next step.
Okay, phone's all set. Now, pick up your other device, your TV, your console, whatever it is. First, connect it to the Wi-Fi hotspot you just turned on. Then, you'll need to dig into that Wi-Fi connection settings. Usually there's an advanced or details option. You're looking for something that says proxy. By default, it's going to be set to off. Just change that to manual. Now you'll see a couple of empty boxes. This is where you type in that host IP and the port number from the Every Proxy app on your phone. Type them in, hit save, and believe it or not, you've done all the hard work.
All right, we're almost there. But before we do the victory lap, let's cover a couple of quick tips. Just in case you hit a little snag. This will make sure everything runs perfectly.
So, here's the most common thing that might pop up. Sometimes when you flip that switch in Every Proxy, it might give you an error. Don't worry, it's a super easy fix. Seriously, don't panic. All you do is go into the app settings, tap on that first option for the IP address, and just pick a different one from the list that shows up. That almost always clears the error right up.
Now, this is a big one, compatibility. Look, this trick works like a charm with a ton of popular VPNs. The original guide used one called XVPN, and it worked perfectly. But, and this is important, it doesn't work with every single VPN app out there. So if you've done everything right and it's still not working, the culprit might just be your VPN app. It might be worth trying out a different one to see if that's the issue. Okay, tips and tricks are covered, everything's configured. Now for the best part, the moment of truth. Let's make sure all our hard work paid off and check our new virtual location.
So on that TV or console you just set up, find its web browser and open it up. In the search bar, just type something simple like, "What is my IP?" or "IP checker." This little test is going to show us if the traffic is really going through your phone's VPN.
And here it is. You'll see it right away. A second ago, that website would have shown your real-life city and state, but now, boom, it should be showing the location of the VPN server you connected to. Remember how we chose Germany? Well, that's what'll show up. It's that simple. Your device is now, for all intents and purposes, in a totally different country.
So what's the big takeaway? It's that with just this one really simple setup, you've basically unlocked a world of content for all those devices that couldn't use a VPN before. It's an incredibly powerful, yet super easy fix. This is a total game changer for so many gadgets that were just stuck before. It kind of makes you think, right? Now that any of your devices can be anywhere in the world, what's the first thing you're going to unlock? The possibilities are, well, pretty much endless.